We made this awesome cake.
Turn light on.
It's so good. It looks so good.
And I'm baking some sausage
And
some
bacon.
bacon.
See?
and pancakes. No more Jojo after
That's
that
whole
one.
season. Great. And chocolate and
With
nut
some of these.
sugar. Some sugar. And we made it by the scratch. It's so cool. You guys can make it. It's it's milk and flour and
Look at your underwear.
cocoa and milk, flour, and cocoa. We were actually trying to make warm milk and put cocoa in it, and mix it, but that did not work, so we just made a cake out of it. And then when we done, we had to make icing, and then my mom dropped off her clothes and everything. So now we are going to do a lot of stuff today. We're gonna do gardening. We're gonna make a lemonade stand. But the other kids don't know. Only the 2 grown-ups, Uncle 9 and Kathy. But I hope they do not see this video, or they're gonna see that we're making a lemonade stand. Okay. And it's made out of strawberries and nuts. So first, you put milk in a pan. Put the milk in over your stove in a pan. And then you put the cocoa inside. You mix it, mix, and then you put the flour. You mix that, mix, and then you put some sugar, white sugar. Yeah, you should put white sugar. The brown sugar doesn't go with it. And then mix. And little bit of brown sugar. Mix. And then you can start mixing it. Look good, so you can taste it. Tastes good. And then you crack 3 eggs. Crack. Mix. Until all the yolk comes out, and then mix it like before. And then crack another egg. And mix them along until yellow and yellow. And then you mix the 3rd egg, and then you're done. Okay, so that's basically how we have the cake. And then we put it in the pan, and then we put it in the oven, and then we put strawberries and Hershey's and nuts on it in the morning. Actually, not in the morning. When it cools down. So, yeah. We had this stuff in it, and we made the icing. But you guys just can buy icing, so we don't have to tell you how to make it. Okay, bye guys. Please like and subscribe this video. But we're not done with this video, but still like and subscribe this video. Okay, we're not done yet though. Here's the mama cat. The mama cat's kind of scared. I know which cat likes me. I'll go show it. That's Truman.
Hey, let me.
Okay.
It's my cat.
So we need some butter.
Yeah, that's mine. Aiden, that's your cat.
Aiden, let him eat.
Aiden, let him eat.
Where's the butter?
The cat that liked me is by Bill.
So this is my cat, guys.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is, but I'm not telling you. Yeah, but like, that's the only cat that likes me.
No, that's the old cat.
It doesn't have to like you if it's your cat. Oh my God. Your cat lets you hold him? Yeah. Okay, sure. No. Okay. So,
Cat is done eating. Look.
cat. What is that cat called again? 80. No, it's called 80.
80, and then ours is Rojo.
Yeah, it's 80.
I can call it Aiden if I want to.
Yeah, if you want to.
80. Well, it's hard 80.
His
80.
last name is...
80.
His last name is Espadai.
No,
Last one.
they didn't.
Yes, it is. The cat is done eating.
Don't pick him up by his belly.
Get down before you fall. Get down. So he's trying to eat. Let him eat.
80. It's hard to make that sound. So I'm gonna sit in a different chair. It just no, it's not a different chair. It's just really beautiful.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Don't stay in the back, Aiden. You stay in the back.
Let me get my shoes off.
That's a good idea.
Kathy,
You show me you can come with me if you want to.
that's
Come on, show me.
wait.
Come on.
Aiden, come here.
What? What do you want? What do you
This
want?
is Aiden. This is Momo. This is Kathy. Where's Uncle Nigel?
Go ahead, Ron.
Okay. Nigel. Nigel.
Look.
Hi.
Mm.
I just say hi. I didn't know where you were. Bye bye. Nigel's sleeping. Well, I'm almost done with this video. It's a rain. I think. No, it's not raining. It's just. Well, maybe going to. We're gonna get my box for lemonade stand. We're gonna wipe the lemonade, and we're gonna do it more in the morning. It's like in the afternoon, but okay, I'll stop when you are ready. So I just woke up. I don't know how I'm wearing this t-shirt. I know. I was wearing my t-shirt. But and if you guys haven't seen Portugal, you guys should totally look it up. Yes, that's me when I was a little baby. It's kind of weird. But yeah. Guys should totally see it. Uh-huh. Okay, like and subscribe if I haven't said that down below. Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye guys.